Hi friends, I am in Dublin Zoo now. Hi, hello everyone. Right now I am in Dublin Zoo. I've come here to see wildlife in Dublin Zoo. It is an amazing new theme for this year. Here the Dublin Zoo is back with a new theme, the magic of life. Really exciting scenes and exciting experience here. Wildlights, the spectacular nighttime experience at Dublin Zoo is back with an exciting brand new theme, the magic of life. Over a thousand breathtaking, dazzling lanterns will portray a fascinating and important story by shining a light on biodiversity. Now you can see they have correlated the lights with the different animals. Travel through the illuminated and magical woodland scenes before encountering the wondrous pollinators, including giant bees and beehives. See some of the nature's most amazing transformation from the metamorphosis of a caterpillar into a stunning butterfly to the intriguing cooperation between ants in a colony. We can discover the abundance and diversity of life in the treetops of rainforest and then dive underwater and witness some of the most beautiful sea creatures and the mesmerizing coral, all lit up through magical handcrafted traditional Chinese lanterns. Through this transformation of Dublin Zoo, visitors will have the opportunity to learn more about the magic of life and also the role they can play to help our planet. We can buy ticket online for Wildlight's adult €23, Wildlight child €19, and for the senior citizen €20, and for students €20 as well, and Wildlight's child under 3 free ticket available. The shamrock is a symbol of Ireland and refers to clover species that have three leaves on each stem. The four-leaved clover or lucky clover is a rare variety of the three-leaved clover and is seen to be a symbol of good luck. What is the buzz about bees? Ireland has 101 wild bee species, 21 bumblebee species, and 80 solitary bee species. There is also one honeybee, which is the only bee that can make honey.
Absolutely, this is an unforgettable moment in my life. It's so beautiful.
Long haul flyer. The eastern monarch butterfly is another famous long distance migrant. In late summer, it migrates all the way from Canada to Mexico, covering over 4,000 kilometers. Each day, it flies up to 150 kilometers. The very hungry caterpillar. A butterfly lays her egg on a food plant, a plant her baby caterpillars will like to eat. When an egg hatches, a very hungry caterpillar emerges and it eats and eats and grows and grows. Some caterpillars grow 100 times in size. When large enough, the caterpillar forms a hardened case inside which some natural magic is about to happen. Metamorphosis transforms the caterpillar's body completely. The chrysalis splits open and a colorful butterfly emerges. It stretches out its wings to dry and then takes its first flight. Some butterflies migrate over huge distance each year. The painted lady butterfly comes to Ireland all the way from North Africa. It has the longest migration of any butterfly, covering 12,000 kilometers and crossed the Sahara Desert twice. The secret life of snails. There are over 40,000 snail species. Snails live not just on land but in freshwater and the ocean. The snails in your garden are related to giant squid and octopus. Garden snails are nocturnal, so you don't get to see what they get up to until after dark. Do you know snails are great at cleaning up? Snails have a very important role in ecosystems. By feeding on decaying plants, they clean up our gardens and recycle nutrients. Giant African land snails are some of the largest snails in the world, growing to 20 centimeter in length. The color of their shells is not always the same. It changes depending on the environment the snails live in. Now you can see orangutan, person of the forest. Orangutan means person of the forest. Orangutans live on the islands of Sumatra and Borneo in Asia. They are perfectly adapted to life in the trees and their very strong limbs and opposable toes and thumbs. Their arms are longer than their legs. An anthill is a mound of earth thrown up by ants when they dig their nest. Wonderful things happen underground in the many tunnels and chambers of an anthill. Some chambers store eggs, some are nurseries for larvae, while others store waste.
this would be a great place to bring your children. So, are living in Ireland, definitely you have to come and see this magic wildlife. How was the Dublin Zoo experience? Wildlife, magical wildlife. I hope you all enjoy my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching. So 9 o'clock now. So bye.